Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to log into First Bank mortgage account online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Now go to the search box at the top and type in fbmortgageloans.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you get to the official website for FB Mortgage, mouse over to My Account at the top right and click on Sign In under Make a Loan Payment. You will then be taken to the First Bank Mortgage login page. Here, click on Login at the top right and you will then be prompted to enter your login information in the text boxes. Type in your username in the text box at the top and then type in your correct password on the next field. If you don't remember your password or your username, click on Forgot Your Username or Password link and follow through the instructions till the end. After filling in both of your credentials, click Login and you will then be able to sign in to First Bank Mortgage account online. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.